Well, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Whoa. At More at Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Well, today, Hallie and Hunter are going to do something for the very first time. What are y'all going to do?
We're going to shoot a gun.
Yeah, so it is rifle season here in Oklahoma. And we're going to see if the kids, Hallie, most of all, I want to see if she can get a deer. If Hunter does all right shooting it, we'll see. But I think Hallie's of age now, and so we're going to let her shoot the gun, see how she does. I got a fancy target here. What?
The pizza box.
Is that not fancy?
No! That is homemade.
Yeah, it's a homemade target, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, we're going to set it up. See this berm behind me here?
Daddy, I think
and bring the table over here that we used the crossbow on, and make sure she's nice and stable, and we're going to see if it kicks too much for her or not. We're going to be shooting the 223 platform in an AR-15. This is just a low grain full metal jacket here. Similar to the same grain that we're going to be hunting with. So we're just going to try this out, and if it's comfortable for her, I'm off all this week, and we got a couple good bucks coming in and several does. So if it's comfortable for them and they hit good, they do good on following instructions and trigger safety and all that jazz, then we'll let her go out and see if we can get a deer. But we're going to set up this target and see what we can do. Alrighty, well, we got the target set up down there. Oh, one last thing. Hallie, run in and get that marker. That way we can mark the shots as we do them, so we'll know which one's which. We won't get them confused in case we need to make any adjustments on this scope. But I'm going to give it a shot first and make sure it's on. I actually have not shot this gun since I got it.
I got my headphones on right now. That will work.
So what?
I got my headphones off so I can, so my ears don't break.
Gotcha.
Daddy, the Sharpie?
Yep. It looks like it's hitting high and to the left. I'm going to shoot another one just to verify. Yep, consistent.
One more. I get to my volume up. I'm not gonna turn it up.
All right. Let's go take a look. So 5 shots, it's dialed in. So this is my first 3 shots. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So
They're all over the place.
Well, they were, but now...
Daddy, these won't, like, turn on.
That's fine.
Got a bear.
So we'll mark that one. Shot, 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 and shot.
Where did the bullet go?
Into the dirt mound. So now, anything outside of those, we know it's Hallie's. Hey, I actually think that crossbow kicks harder than this.
It does?
I think so. It's just loud, okay? So don't be scared of it.
Is it really loud?
I don't have headphones on, so yeah, it's loud for me.
It was like really loud back there where Hunter is.
Hallie, stop. Thank you. Can you see the target?
No.
Get your head closer. Hold on, let me see it. There you go.
I can't see.
See the box? Find the box.
Yeah.
You got it? You see those crosshairs?
Yeah.
Turn red?
Yeah.
Alright. Can you see that circle on there?
Uh-huh.
Huh?
Yeah.
You can?
Yeah.
You want to keep that in there and squeeze that trigger. Okay, nice and easy. Got it? You got this? Put that right there. Got it? You get on there, squeeze that trigger, hold it tight.
Hang on the trigger. Scared me.
Did it hurt?
Mm-mm.
Not at all?
No.
Did you hit the target?
I don't know.
Let's go see.
It didn't.
Let's go see if she hit it. She says she hit it, but let's go see. Yeah, she did. First time. What do you think about that? Good?
Mm-hmm.
Did it? Which one kicks worse, the crossbow or that?
Crossbow.
It does, doesn't it? It's pretty crazy, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
So, let's check out her. Show everybody your first shot. Right there. Hey, sissy.
Yeah.
Guess what?
Huh.
That's a good shot.
It is.
Yeah, it's right in the bullseye.
Wow, that one hurts. It was hard to get I'm gonna go look at it. What did they say?
There you go, one there. Back a little bit. It's probably the better way to do it. Nope, which handed are you?
Okay.
Put your right hand under there. There we go. Got it?
Yeah.
Hold on. Can you see the whole target?
Nope.
Just point it down. Drop the back of the gun a little bit.
No, I don't see.
Yeah?
Nope. All I can see is the woods.
Okay, well then you're too high. How about now?
No. There's like something black.
Yeah, you gotta get your head to where you can find the. Too close. Lay your cheek right here. Quit. Lay your cheek right here. Looking through this eye. Squeeze your. Hey. Put this finger up here. Squeeze that right there.
Like I can see it. It's
Okay.
like black.
Move your head around to it. It opens up. It'll open up. Which eye are you looking through?
This eye.
Put your head straight. Drop it up there.
And it's over, down.
Hold on. Are you on the target? See the pizza box? Huh?
Yep.
Hold on, hold on. Get your finger off the trigger. You may need 2 fingers, okay?
Okay.
All right. Make sure you're on the target. Does that hurt?
No. Go see it.
Let's go see it. Yep.
No, look like that has a light on it.
Yep. That's yours, buddy, right there. Gotta clean it up a little bit, okay?
I want to do another one.
All right. He wants to do another one. He shot a little bit off. You on the target?
Yep.
Hey, squeeze it nice and slow. Make sure you're on that target before you start squeezing. Keep your head down. What?
Kind of hurt it.
Kind of hurt it that time?
Look what it did.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Let me see. That was a good one.
That a good one?
I could tell.
Think so?
It was not blurry at all, and it was right on the bullseye.
All right, let's see. Did it hurt?
Nah.
Yeah, you had it in the right spot, huh?
Uh-huh.
Good job. So Hallie says, as soon as she fired it, she said, that's a good one. We're gonna see. Had it right on the bullseye, not blurry. We'll see. It was close. It's right on the.
It's right on it.
Which one is it, sis?
There.
Which one? Oh, that is close.
Those are my 2 shots.
Now, you guys really can't tell from the video, but from this shot to this shot, which this one, okay, really this is all the kids right here. So that's a pretty good grouping for the first time shooting. You can see by my hand, I mean, it's 4 inches grouping. So
that's yours. So Daddy, it turned red.
Yeah. So overall, that's a pretty good shot. Got a battle wound, sis?
Huh?
Got a battle wound?
What's that?
You got a mark from shooting? Yep, you had it in the wrong spot, huh?
Right there. I have mine in the perfect.
Why does it hurt then?
Huh?
That's a little low. That's a little low on you. You don't want it on your arm, buddy. You want it right there in your shoulder. But if you want to, sissy, I can take you hunting.
Yeah.
Hunter had a good grouping, just not on the target. So I'm not sure if he just holds it a little different or what, but his grouping was good. And that one, I think, or maybe that one, I don't know. Either way, those are good, but just a little off.
That one's mine.
Yeah.
So these were Hunter's. Because these were mine too.
So, pretty good overall experience for him for the first time shooting the AR.
I like the crossbow better.
Hunter likes the crossbow better. Now, I do have a youth model 243 that I've had for a couple years. I'm getting back from a buddy whose kids are a little older, so they've been using it. I'm going to let Hallie shoot it because if she can shoot it, I would prefer her to use it. Obviously, both rounds will work for taking a deer. If you watch Keeping It Dutch, his kids have used the AR-15 223 for several years until they upgraded to the 243 and had zero problems. So yeah, if you watch Keeping It Dutch, they've used the 223 for several years and had great success with it. So I got some good rounds for him, some Hornady rounds that will just do a great job on an animal. So I'm excited. You excited? Maybe.
My hands got poop.
So, all right, let's grab that pizza box. So while we got you out here, we're gonna go look at the animals. I have actually been on a hunting trip for the last 3 or 4 days. with some guys from church. Keeping It Dutch showed up. Some of you guys saw in his video we went hunting the other day. So like I said, I've been on a hunting trip for the last 3 or 4 days. Gonna go check on the animals. The kids and Lindy has been keeping the homestead going for the last few days. So I'm gonna go out and say hi to them all, catch up, see what they've been up to, all that stuff before it gets too dark. But just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek on what we're doing here. And Hallie's super excited about deer hunting. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I got some good bucks coming in to our deer lease, and she will be able to take one this year. You did what?
I fed the animals today.
Good girl. High five. I'm gonna go say hi to them. I think they missed me.
I'm playing with Thor earlier.
You what?
He fell on the ground though.
He wants to say hi to everyone. Hi, Thor. Hi, Thor.
Okay, I can see the fire burn some sticks.
You did?
A lot of sticks.
What? What's up, buddy? Oh, hey. What'd you do?
One time it was muddy out here and I couldn't play with him and he knocked me on the ground.
What up, Bob? What up, Bob? Alright guys, well that's all we got in today's video. If you like this video, please smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel at More at Homestead, please subscribe and ring that notification bell.
Really got this easier for me.
Bike boy's still at it. So, well, did you have fun shooting the gun? Mm-hmm. Did you think it was going to kick harder than that? And it didn't. It just went bloop.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, that ain't too bad. Alright, well hopefully in a couple more videos to come, you'll get to see us out in the woods. How they be behind the trigger this time, and hopefully we can take an animal and eat it. Do a little catch, clean, and cook.
Daddy.
Backstrap style. So once again, that's all we got in today's video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, God bless.